You want to sing your ABCs? Yeah? Ready? You want to sing your ABCs? Dylan, how old are you?
1.
That's right. You want to count for Mama?
1,
2,
3, 4, 5,
7,
8,
9.
10.
Yay! Do you want to do it in Spanish? Uno,
2,
dos,
3,
tres,
4,
cuatro,
5,
cinco,
6,
seis, siete. What's after siete?
7,
What's next? Ocho.
8,
Nueve.
10.
Yay! Good job. Are y'all done? You want to say bye-bye? Say I love you.
I love you.
Good job.